Breaker 19, you're tuning in only for trucks. Come on back, brother. Please subscribe, brother.
Well, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Only 4 Trucks. Today I'm pulling out of Beltsville, Maryland with a load of trench boxes, and we are heading 2 hours back up to Philly, and we will be dropping these at the company's other yard that, you know, rents out these trench boxes. Should be a smooth ride, pretty easy deal. I always enjoy giving you guys the loaded footage because everybody knows, you know, that drives a truck or that knows trucks, they run much better loaded. So you get to exercise it a little bit more. Oh, I thought he was coming this way. Whew, made me nervous. He might be backing down. I think he is. Which, if that's the case, I'm gonna go around this way so he could back past me on the right. I would assume that's what he's doing. That's why he's trying to get that trash truck to stop. I'm pretty sure that's what he's doing. Yep. Oh, you're jacking it real hard there, buddy. Follow it around. You got a nice rig. Come on, follow it, follow it, follow it. You can save it. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about, son. Nice. I want to give him the thumbs up. Ah, you got to pull up. All right, all right, all right. Couple watermelons on there. It's a good looking unit. Right on. A little too soon on that one. Now this was a pretty tight left when I came in here. Bum, bum, bum. Nice little incline here. It's gonna make the first couple gears fun. And I got a turn, so this low to first split here is gonna be a tough one. I let off. That's just a little bit of fooling around, I know. Yesterday I went to Home Depot after work and I tried to put all the fittings, you know, onto the new foot valve. So I went and got a couple brass pieces I needed. I went and did my thing, and then when I went to swap everything over at the truck, come to realize that the new valve is all smaller, you know, fittings that go into it. So on the old one, everything's 1/2 inch, and on the new one, everything's 3/8. So none of the previous fittings, you know, none of that brass will work. So therefore, I am stuck. I'm gonna go get more stuff, more fittings, and I guess it'll wait till the weekend. So sorry to make you guys wait on the R700. I'm not happy about it either, but it'll be worth it in the end. I couldn't help myself. I just had to. I wanted it. highway means cameras are kind of useless. So I will see you guys when we get off this interstate. Well, we're finally off the interstate, guys. I know there really wasn't a whole lot of action in this one, but at least we got to have some fun shifting and making noise coming out of Baltimore. I'm not totally sure what tomorrow brings just yet. I would hope it's something different. Kind of tired of running to Baltimore, to be honest. Oh, it's nice because it's an early day. Excuse me, I'm tired, as it was so early. But it's easy, you know, but a little boring. I would enjoy getting back up north. I love running through the mountains and stuff. But yeah, really excited for the truck show this weekend, and then getting to play with the R700. That thing is just like itching at me. I can't wait. I have some news to tell you guys about it, and you know, there's gonna be plenty to show on it as the build continues. Really even just gets going, because I haven't really started much on it, honestly. But I am excited. So I know this one was a little on the boring side, but at least it's something for you guys to watch in between the, you know, the awesome stuff. So hopefully I can get one more run through the gears here before we call it. Looks like I got a red light up ahead. We'll see. Well, that's going to wrap it up for this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. Hope you enjoyed listening to this thing sing. It sounds great. But thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, brother. Over and out.